Hi guys, so today I will tell you how you can do the walkthrough in the Revit in the better way, because if you are using the Revit software then walkthrough is a compulsory, you should know. So the things is that it's a very simplest way how you can do the walkthrough. So I will tell you. So yeah, this is a project I had made it earlier. So I will tell you in that project how you can do the walkthrough. So simply go to the on the ground level first, and after that there is one option is so 3D, and if you will click on 3D there is three option will show default 3D view, camera and walkthrough. You can do it from here also, otherwise if you do not want to do from here, so you can go to the view option, and after going to the view option here is the same option is showing. In that option if you will click, so there is again three option will show on your screen, so then you can do the walkthrough. You can click on the walkthrough, and after clicking on the walkthrough you can start from here. You can see the cursor icon has been changed, and after that what you will do, wherever you want to start from, so you can click this. So I will start from here, so you can, if you will click like this, so you can see these things, what type of path is making. So the same way I am clicking the things, you can see here, and I have entered in the room, and it's my kitchen, and after that you can just click, it's a light bath and also these things, and here's the bedroom. And you, if you will click, it's, you are making the path like this, after clicking the after clicking the walkthrough, so there is there this type of path will show on your screen. After that if you will make this type of path in your project, so just you can, if you have been completed it, so you can just finish from here, and after that you can click on edit walkthrough, and after clicking the edit walkthrough you can see the things whatever path you had made. So there is a red small point made in the middle of the path. So in that time what you should do, just click open walkthrough, and after clicking the open walkthrough you can see the in 3D. If you want to see in the larger way, so there is a 4 option is showing, 4 point is showing, so you can just click and extend it like this. So you can extend, so then you can see in the larger way these things, and after clicking the things you can click here previous keyframe, and if you will click this thing, so you can see your play button is highlighted. And after that what we will do, if you want to see in the shaded form, so just you can go here and click here, so you can do in the shaded form, and here you can just click 1. And if you want to see in the in the faster way, so you can put here less number, like earlier is 300, so I will put here 200, so it will be fast. Otherwise if you want to see in the slow form of walkthrough, so you can put here larger number, like 1000 to 2000, so you in this way your walkthrough will be very slow. So I want to put here, I have put 2000 because I want to see in the faster way, that's why I have typed 200, and after that you can just click edit walkthrough and play it. So you can see, yeah, this is the form, this is a walkthrough video. So yeah, it's a very faster way, because I have put it a less number here 200, because if you want to see in the slow motion, so you can just put here 300 and 400 1000 2000, so according to this your speed will be slow. So here is it was very fast, so I will show you how you can do it in the slow way. So I will put here 500, so then you can see that means you can change the motion of these things. I have put at 500, so you can see in the slow form of these things. Yeah, it's a very slow. So according to this way you can change here the number so according to that the walkthrough speed will be so on your screens. So it's a very simplest way. You can see the inside of the building and all the things. It's a very very easy step. There are a lot of people also do not know how to do the walkthrough. That's why I tell these things. Okay, so you can see the speed. You can see the speed of these things because I have changed the numbers of these things. Okay, so thank you and very much.